Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: PAN, Aadhaar-linked bank account, and an active DMAT. Once confirmed, open Kotak Neo and sign in with your credentials. Make sure your DMAT is linked, otherwise orders won't settle. Next, decide how much capital you'll allocate and factor in brokerage and GST so you know net cost. Now navigate to the Markets tab. This is where you search for a stock symbol, check live price, and prepare to place your first order. Once you find the stock, tap it and review price, depth, and chart to gauge entry. Choose an order type: market for immediate execution, limit to set your price, or stop loss to cap losses. Each affects execution differently. Enter quantity and verify lot sizes if applicable. Make sure available margin covers the order plus fees. Kotak Neo will show required debit. Finally, review the order summary for brokerage and taxes, then hit submit to send the order to the exchange. After submitting, monitor the order status in your Orders tab. Executed fills your DMAT, pending may partially fill, and canceled returns funds. If it doesn't execute, modify your limit price or reduce quantity, because low liquidity often blocks fills. Try again during peak market hours for better chances. If you see errors or failed settlements, note the transaction ID and contact Kotak support immediately so they can trace it. Finally, reconcile your portfolio to confirm holdings and P&L updates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.